So you have chosen the university, but what if the university you selected for MBBS abroad doesn't actually provide the clinical exposure you are expecting? Many students assume they will get regular hospital training, early patient interaction, and hands-on learning. But after joining, some realize clinical rotations start much later, exposure is limited, or training is mostly observational. This can affect practical skills, confidence, and overall medical preparation. So before finalize your decision, it's important to understand how clinical rotations actually work. In this video, we'll walk you through the clinical rotation at Peskov State University, including when they begin, how they are structured, and what kind of clinical exposures students receive. Let's get started. To understand whether a university provides a strong practical training, the first thing to look at is how clinical rotations are planned. Clinical rotations are the phase in which students move beyond classroom learnings and begin training in real hospital settings. This is where students observe doctors, understand patient cases, and gradually develop clinical skills. At Peskov State University, this transition is designed to happen progressively rather than all at once. That's why the timeline of when clinical exposure begins becomes very important. Let's start by looking at when students are first introduced to hospital environments. At Peskov State University, students begin receiving clinical exposure in the early years of the MBBS program. During this phase, students visit affiliated hospitals, observe different departments, and understand how patient care works. This helps them become more comfortable in real medical settings before moving to advanced training. Once students are familiar with hospital environments, the training becomes more structured. This is where department-wise clinical rotations come into place. As students progress, they rotate through major medical departments to gain broader exposure. These typically include general medicine, surgery, pediatrics, obstetrics and gynecology, and emergency medicine. This structured rotation helps students to understand how different departments work and how patient care varies across specialties. While rotating through these departments, students also begin focusing more on practical learnings and patient interaction. During clinical rotation at Peskov State University, the students observe patient examination, case discussion and treatment planning, patient communication, and case analysis under supervision. This allows students to connect classroom knowledge with real-world medical practice and develop clinical confidence. However, the quality of this learning also depends on how students are guided during hospital trainings. How the students are guided during hospital trainings. At Peskov State University, clinical rotations are guided by experienced doctors and faculty members. Students participate in ward rounds, discussions, and supervised clinical learning sessions. This helps them understand patient cases more clearly and improve their clinical reasoning. With structured supervision, students gradually become more confident in hospital environments. Because of this step-by-step approach, students gain meaningful benefits from their clinical rotation. So if you are looking for a university that offers structured clinical rotation with guided hospital exposure, Peskov State University can be an option worth considering. Let's now quickly look at how these clinical rotations benefit students overall. By the end of clinical rotations, students develop a better understanding of patient care, improved diagnostic thinking, and confidence in hospital environments. They also gain exposure in multiple specialties and practical medical knowledge that supports their future medical career. All of this plays an important role in shaping students into confident doctors. So this was an overview of clinical rotations at Peskov State University. With early exposures, structured department rotations, and guided clinical learnings, students receive valuable practical training during their MBBS journey. So, if you are planning to study MBBS abroad and want strong clinical exposure, Peskov State University is definitely worth considering. Further, if you have any question or need guidance, you can contact us using details in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.